Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today, you will see the Olight video before this, but this is new knife day with the Roxxon and OKnife, which is made by Olight, OKS2. The box says it is 1.4116 stainless steel, handle aluminum, weighs 4.62 ounces or 131 grams. To open the blade, you do this. Nice blade. No wiggle, no blade play, that means. You can do that if you want, but slow roll's the best. And you got tools. Got a file and a Phillips. You got a flathead, a bottle opener, can opener, can opener. Then we got an awl, which is sharp though too, so you could do some cutting other than using the awl to sew and to puncture. If you want to close the tools, you go move your thumb back, and it closes. It don't come out, that's just a liner. And you do that. Let's do some size comparisons. What I have in my pocket right now, I have the Olight Arcfeld UV. I have the QSP Penguin. And I have the NAF's Lander 1. Let me know what you think of this knife and this multi-tool in the comment section below. And if you have it, how does it work for you? Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent. Collect what you like. Be safe. Look out for the guy girl to your left. Look out for the guy girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, your food, your music, your video games. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.